He's been waiting for
Here
this
they
moment
come.
for over a year now. The GR finally gets his chance to go down the track. He will be awarded. Once again,
oh my word!
Be watching for that. Camels coming two varieties. One hump being the dromedary, which we're racing today. Two humps mean the factory camels. Those are indigenous to Eastern Asia. The dromedaries are indigenous to Western Asia. In Hebrew, the word camel means beauty, and we're going to have a beauty of a race. Great racing conditions here, my friends. In the wild, these camels can reach speeds of 40 miles per hour in short bursts, but they're known far and wide for 25 mile per hour runs on frequent occasions. These horses stand these camels stand 7 feet at the hump. So they are definitely taller and about 5.5 longer.
Oh, he's bulking over there. Behind the gate, he's bulking.
Last year, these camels did not like the starting gates, and it looks like they aren't liking them too much today as well. The one camel is Clyde.
Okay, got one in.
Once again, we are going to be racing 110 yards, a 16th of a mile.
Boy, you got to sit so far back. That can't be comfortable.
Thoroughbred horses, so even though it might look like they're moving slow, they are rapidly covering the track. Gorgeous day for racing. Hope you're enjoying the extreme racing here at Remington Park. The ostrich and the camel races here. Great crowd on hand. Remember, everyone wins in this race. The winning camel will take home some great money for the charity selected by the training team, the celebrity training team. They are loading these camels into the gates. A 4 camel.
That's who we're voting. That's who we're rooting for. Number 3. Okay.
And final camel. That is Scott Wells aboard. I believe that is Sandblaster. Scott Wells is aboard.
I can't really get them all the way in there, can? Oh yeah, they do. Okay.
Let's make that note in our score sheets there.
All right. Clear the track.
They have loaded the camels. The jockeys are having trouble with their pants.
Whoa! I better let them go.
Trying to get these camels out the gate.
The camels are trying to get out the gate.
Confines, but soon they will be dashing down the track. These dashing dromedaries going 110 yards. Oh, fun times to ensue.
Get that horse out of
We
there.
have settled the camels. The 2011 Extreme Camel Races about to begin.
And they're off. He won.
He won. After all his coffee, he still won. When he was heading to her ass, knocked down the thing, there was fear on his face.